So, hello everyone. Today marks 21st day of my new lifestyle marathon and I feel fantastic today mentally and intellectually. Mentally and intellectually. Sorry for my English. I training. I try speak good and I training. So, everything I had planned has been complete, calmly, and with pleasure. And I'm looking forward tomorrow with excitement. Excitement. I'd also like to share some through about importance of having quick time. This is when you give yourself opportunity to do absolutely nothing. No phone, no talking to people, and preferably being in place where you cannot hear anyone or anything. Ideally, such quiet moments should be organized every day for at least half an hour. Another important point, in my opinion, is being aware that building positive habits is not about making more money by boosting your intellectually potential or energy potential. Instead, it is primarily about feeling freedom from systems influence, if you know what I mean, which seek to turn us into be robots through various various methodologies. We are not robots and we are not animals. God or universe endowed us with critical defining future of freedom of choice, potential freedom of choice that, for instance, a lion does it not have. Lion doesn't not have choice. For example, when her cub is killed, she's inevitably develops a mating instinct within next few months. And it doesn't matter to her that male she considers a partner was one who recently tore apart and devoured her cubs. That's just a lyrical digression. But we continue strengthening our human identity by identity by forming a corridor of self awareness and self identity for yourselves. For now, that's it. Don't forget, thanks. Thanks to everyone for being here. Everything always worked out perfectly for me because my universe always take care of me and everything in my life and my family's life goes as it should. Thank you for everyone and see you tomorrow.